Good morning, guys. Let's go over Cardano. So, Cardano, guys, money is flowing out of Bitcoin and it's going into altcoins. I wonder where the money's going. Well, some of that money is definitely going into Cardano because we're seeing it pump up here, but I'm not going to show this to you just from a price structure perspective, but I'll actually show you this from an on-chain metric looking at the actual market cap. So let's go over this, guys, real quick in the beginning. We're currently sitting at 112. Let me adjust my mic here. Sorry. 112 wins and 0 losses. We've never lost a trade here. Guys, Avalanche is just like, we've won more trades on Avalanche and Mana than probably any of the other coins because it's a new couple coins that we added, but we've just been blasting through these wins over here. Watch out for Avalanche to be our next winning trade as well. I will not be doing a video on that today, but let me quickly show you guys where we're currently sitting. We are very close to the break. Break-even entry is what it really is. It's our first buy limit got hit. So once we start getting back up here, I will be looking to take a profit about, I'd say like 6 to 7%. Funny enough, Avalanche is actually moving down a little bit today. You know, some of the coins like ADA are moving up. Let's take a look at ADA today. We're diversified. This is very good. And overall, the market is going up. The account, real quick overview, guys, we're almost at 137, 138. We were almost pushing to that before I got on this video. So we're dipping down a little bit right now. 150,000 is break even. We're doing very, very well. Okay. You guys came here for Cardano. What's going on here? Well, I do think we could be seeing a drop here within the next, I would say about 48, 72 hours, and I'll show you guys why. Look at this. Retail trader indicators are all green. Okay, this shows me that when the RSI, MACD, stochastic, and the moving averages are all green, this is when retail traders love to push their money into the market because they just FOMO in because they think this thing is just going to keep blasting up. All right, when I see this, I am looking for Wells institutions to take out short trades or sell their longs, and I absolutely believe that is what we are going to see here pretty soon. Let me give you some evidence of this. Price for swell money flow, looking at the price in green, the price structure in red here and the money flow in green. My apologies. So money flow is going to be in green and the price structure is going to be in pink or red. All right. When you guys look at this and you start seeing price structure do this where it makes a higher high and you start seeing money move out of the market, this is a sign that the market is overextended, or in other words, if some people call this overbought. Okay. Not only that, we see trend exhaustion up in the top red section as well. Last time we got up here and well money flow was high, we did end up seeing this drop back down right there. Okay. The previous time before then, let me get this a little bit bigger so we can see this. The previous time trend exhaustion got high, well money flow got high, we saw that little drop back down right here. Okay. And then we come back in the past here, we see trend exhaustion high, well money flow high, and then we saw that drop there as well. These are the indicators we're using to call these drops, and you guys should get these in the description. They are literally 84% off, and you guys have 9 days left. It's the cheapest we will ever have these indicators on sale. Literally, we've never had them lower than this price ever. So make sure you guys come in here and snag this because we are going to be upping the prices here. What I'm watching for is these areas in the market that present itself with a high trend exhaustion reading in the top red zone. Well, money flow is high. We're looking for that move back down. Well, guess what? Why am I showing you this and taking all this time to show you what's happened in the past here? It's because you need to see what's coming. What's happening right now is the trend exhaustion has pushed back up into the top red section here. Let me get a little bit bigger here. And well, money flow is pushing up high as well. And we have divergence. Do you guys see this divergence pattern? This is why I'm looking for a move back down. Not only this, let me show you some more signs, and then we'll actually go over to the metrics and we'll look at this. The descending resistance I've been looking at for such a long time here is this one right over here, and it's from the top wick. It actually goes a little bit higher than this, but we're going to do 1, 2, and a 3 touch, what we can see on the charts right now. It does go a little bit higher here, but I want you to see this. This is a very strong descending resistance. This also correlates very closely to this resistance over here. It's just a little bit higher than where we're at, but we've got a descending resistance. Well, money flow has not at a high, it literally has divergence, and trend exhaustion is high as well. So I would not doubt if ADA does see a little bit of a move down here within the next 48 hours. That's not a problem. It's fine. We're just holding. We're still doing great. All right, let's transition over into the metrics. This will give us even more data. Real quick, guys, how do you access this? Come over to the pricing. We're currently at 112 wins. You guys will get access to all of our metrics for each of our coins. The Telegram channel, you guys will know exactly every single exit I take on all of our coins. We have the highest win rate on YouTube, 112 wins, 0 losses. And every time I get back into a trade, just like I did for Avalanche, I will call it out in Telegram. You just have to copy everything I'm doing and you guys will experience our win rate, okay? All the masterclasses will become unlocked for you when you have a membership, as well as we're going to go live in Zoom next month in April. We do a once-a-month call. We just get on as a family, talk about the markets, do a Q&A. I'm talking about the team today. I'm talking with the team today about when we can do that in April, so it's going to be pretty fun. All right, let's dive in. Just one, you guys pay this monthly. It is the best decision I think you guys can make. We're going to be doing amazing this month. And I do believe it is still possible to hit 120 wins for 120 wins in the month of March. Okay, let's take a look at the metrics this morning. Emotional index and all these will update at 8 a.m. Pacific Standard Time, which is going to be in about 40 minutes because it's 7:18 right now. Okay, we are so high over here on the emotional index that this has absolutely stuck us into the greedy section. Okay, we have not been in the greedy section. I mean, this is back here in October, okay, of last year. So the emotional index right now, this is very high. This has been a very strong pump in the entire market. So this is a place where I'm looking for institutions to look to take their short trades out, as well as start to look to take some profit, okay? As we move down here, we can see this, we see long trades steadily staying the same, short trades moving out. Yes, this is a bullish sign. This is, and it's interesting that we see short trades moving out. It's probably why we've seen a continuation up here in ADA is because there isn't pressure being put on long trades that much because shorts are coming out of the market. I believe that's why this extension is continuing up here, but we are at this very crucial point right now with a descending resistance. We're close to $1, which is another resistance, which is a whole number. We're close to resistance here with structure, and we've got divergence, and we've got trend exhaustion high. Okay, guys, there's a lot of signs here that are showing us we could be moving back down. Now, this pump right here has been very healthy. This is what I was talking about in the beginning of the video. Let me make this a little bit bigger so I can make this a little bit higher so we can see this here. Okay. What I'm looking at here is market cap increasing. Let me get in here a little bit deeper here. Do you guys see this? You have to understand how this is calculated because this could get you very excited. I know I've actually watched some YouTube videos where people are like making fun of Cardano holders. They're like, oh, those guys. Like, no, I'm with you guys till the end. So I'm with you. It's my number 2 highest holding coin here for Cardano. It's about almost, it's called 18%. 18% of our portfolio is Cardano. Okay, here's what's happening. Market cap is increasing on Cardano. You need to understand that when this green line goes up, it means money is flowing out of other coins in order for this coin market cap to go up. Well, where is it coming out of? I've got some guesses that it could be coming out of Bitcoin. Well, let's look at Bitcoin chart. Let's scroll down and let's look at the market cap. Market cap is moving down on Bitcoin the last 3-4 days, and it's pushing into other altcoins. One of those altcoins is Cardano. Okay, guys, there's a shift happening. Listen to these words. There's a shift happening right now where this is not biased information. This is literally on-chain data. Money is flowing out of Bitcoin because people are going to make more money with altcoins. Okay, if you don't believe me, let me prove it even further. Look at this. We're going to take March 13th. Where did March 13th leave us from that start on March 13th to now? We have a 24% increase. Okay, 24%. Everybody remember that. Let's go back over to Bitcoin and let's take a look at March 13th. March 13th puts us right down here at the bottom. It was 24%. This is only a 13% increase. Okay, let's call it 14, can we? That is a 10% increase you would have made on your money if you had your money in ADA versus Bitcoin. Do you understand now? People are looking at this. This is why I've been calling out, and I know people are like, it's going to be a altcoin winter coming. I'm like, I think there's an altcoin summer here, and we could be seeing the altcoins absolutely blast off, and we've been calling this because of the descending resistance on this channel that we're seeing, okay? And this is actually taking effect right now because market cap is increasing on altcoins. Look at the other charts that we have, guys, and it is decreasing on Bitcoin. Maybe the best time to get your money into altcoins and maybe out of Bitcoin. I'm just going to leave that there. Okay. For those of you guys who are wanting USDC, I think the altcoins are going to blast off far better than Bitcoin here. And we can already prove it. We're already 10% higher on ADA in the same time frame. Okay. Trades in favor. We pushed way up here to the good short trade area. That was over here. And yes, we did end up seeing a drop when that came out. And we're starting to move down here just a little bit. But yes, short trades are still pushed up into the top here. Now take a look at, well, an institutional smart money. Okay, look at this. Let me go through a few more metrics and I'll show you guys how to get into a trade setup so you can trade this. It doesn't matter if it goes up or down. I'll get you guys into a good trade. This is how we're trading, and we haven't lost though. Make you guys some money here. This is showing us very strongly that during this moment, there are short trades coming out. I think this is honestly, guys, preparation for this descending resistance where they're looking for the move down. Now, let me be honest with you guys. Do wells and institutions of smart money always get their way? No, they don't. They get their way about 80% of the time, which is why you need to follow this. Like, let me show you. When short trades come out, the market usually drops back down. Sorry, let me get my cursor back here. When short trades are increased, the market usually drops back down. So look at this. When you see short trades over here coming out strong, the market dropped over here. Short trades came out strong here, the market dropped here. Short trades, the market dropped. Short trades, the market dropped. Like, okay, we can see here that when we push down to short trades, the market is dropping. This is obvious to all of us. Now we're sitting at the spot right here. This is why do you think we could see one more move back down here and then starting to see a move up? But they're about 80% accurate. There's a 20% chance here that sometimes when you see short trades come out, if short trades take over here and this market just blows up here, guys, it will be a short trap. And it will trap the short traders. And if that happens, this market is going to explode. And that's why we can trigger and probably just, well, basically, here's what's going to happen. Short traders are going to be like, oh my gosh, I thought we were going down. We're going up. Our stop losses are hit. We must flip our positions. Now you've got short traders going long traders going long, and everyone with buy stop orders trading the breakout are going long as well. The next target is up here at this resistance. And we'll move down here to this right here. The next place I'm looking for is around the chart is about 127. Okay, it doesn't actually show it to us on this chart because it's a little bit lower time frames, but we're looking at this here and this here over here. It's 127. Okay, I'm gonna write this down on my iPad here so we can have this just as some notes. 127 is the next resistance I'm looking for to pump back up. This is a very nice resistance because this will give us an extra about 30% profit on this trade. If we get up here, guys, I'm pretty sure our account will actually be over 150,000. We will all be above our break-even entries on our trades, even though we haven't got to the entry point here. Okay, this is very exciting. All of you guys who've been following us and using these buy limit, or excuse me, these buy limits in here, a lot of people ended up FOMOing in at these top levels up here, and they will not be in profit till they get back up here. Because we're dollar cost averaging, we will probably be in profit around that 127 level. And all of this here is just strict profit for us, while a lot of other people are still holding to get back into profit. That's why a ton of people are signing up. We've had like an influx the last few days of people signing up. And I think they're seeing like, oh my gosh, this strategy actually works. Okay, and we're winning more trades. As the market goes up, guys, sorry this video is getting longer, but let me just explain this. When this market starts going up, you need to understand like these trades here are all going to start triggering at the same time. We are going to start winning so many trades so fast. That's why we were able to get 100 trades in from March to the end of last year. This is going to go fast. So if you guys have your membership, this isn't like a sales plug. Seriously, once they start hitting their break evens again, even before that, we're going to start flipping trades on Matic as well as Mana as well and AVAX. So we're still going to just keep winning trades, but it's going to kind of get crazy. But it's where we make a ton of money. So get ready for the money-making days. Yeah, they're already here, okay? Entry points for you guys for dollar cost average entries. Great job for everyone who got in down here. You're just holding for... you hold as high as you want, honestly, but use this metric over here. We saw this come out and saying, hey, you know what, we're moving up here. We're getting very close to being overextended. Watch for this drop. So a good precursor before anything started moving back down. So let's see here if this does actually call the move down. It did this very well over here for us. It did this well over here as well as over here. So we'll watch that. Okay, let's show you guys how to get into a trade setup. Scroll down to the bottom for Cardano, but let me show you guys how to do this for Bitcoin. It'll be the same thing, and I'll show you guys real quick our indicator sell. You probably saw pop up in the beginning of the video. Literally, they're 84% off. Use coupon code MARCH at checkout. If you guys don't want to wait for me to talk about that, just give me like 30 seconds here and I'll talk about that in this video. Here is how we have never lost a trade. Highest win rate on YouTube, guys. We can find 112 wins in a row, 0 losses, and I'm trading with you guys. I've never lost a trade. Okay, here's what we do. Bitcoin, for example, take the amount you want to trade with. Let's say it's $1,000. Split the $1,000 into 4 equal portions, 250. Now place 250 at each of the 4 buy limit prices in yellow. So 1, 2, 3, 4. Those are your prices. 250 at each level. It's just a quarter of whatever you guys choose to trade with. You choose the amount, okay? Once your first buy limit is hit, set up the sell limit in green for 100% exit. Just right there, there's your price, okay? For 88, you've got the same thing. You're going to see 4 yellow lines on the chart. That's not where they are. They're very close to that, though. And you guys are going to see a sell limit. Get in here if you guys would choose, and you want, get into this first buy limit. Here's why. If you get into the first buy limit, and the market goes up, we all make money. Great. That's awesome. You're doing great. But if it goes back down, just how we were able to secure ourselves with a far better break-even entry with our dollar cost average method over here, you guys will do that as well. I don't think 80, this could have been the absolute low, guys. We may never go back to 75 cents again, ever, for Cardano. So I don't think this market has a huge chance of going back down to support. So if a second buy limit gets hit for you guys, that's actually really good, and start celebrating, because I think we're just going to bounce back up. Very hard trade to lose. Okay, let me take this one step further. If you guys get in right now with this setup on Cardano and you just be patient like we are, and you guys wait for me to call the exit on Cardano because I'm in this trade right here, you're going to be experiencing, because I'm looking for an exit around this structure high, just so everyone knows that's the structure I'm looking at to exit this trade, that our break-even is 150. You will be looking at about a 78% profit on that trade. Seriously, guys. And I put $49,000 into the market back over here. So literally, I have money over here on some of those trades. So I will be taking a 78% profit as well. So getting in here, getting the membership, setting yourself up, and getting into those buy limits, guys, that is where you can start doing this and start copying me and just copy. This isn't like you sign up and you're on your own. Follow me in the Telegram channel, and I will call everything out for you guys and give you guys my insider market updates when I see them coming. Okay, last but not least, guys, there's a Telegram channel access. Click that. It'll give you guys a hot link in the Telegram. You'll just, once you have your membership, sign in, click that, and you'll literally click a link and you'll be added into the Telegram channel. Okay, last but not least, guys, real quick, the indicator bundle. This is the cheapest we have ever had our indicators, ever. So click this link here. It is 84% off. Enter coupon code MARCH at checkout to be able to get this coupon code to give you 84% off. And you guys will get all of our indicators. It is a one-time purchase. It is not a monthly fee. You even get the source codes to all of the indicators. And not just the 3 that you guys need to copy me, but all 9 of these you guys will get with the bundle pack right now. It is the best deal we've ever had, and we are going to be raising the price of this in 9 days. You have 9 days. Do this now. Make sure you guys are grabbing the bundle pack. Use coupon code MARCH. Take advantage of this because this price will be going up. We've never had it lower. We've never had it lower than this ever, guys, okay? So looking at ADA, I would not doubt if we get a little bit of a drop back down just for a continuation move back up. This market is very strong. Money is moving into Cardano. It's moving out of Bitcoin. The altcoin season, in my opinion, has started. Okay, so let's watch for this pump up here, and let's see how high we can go. Make sure you guys are signed up. Get into the metrics. Follow us. We're going to try to target 120 wins for 120 wins in the month of March. I'll keep you guys updated on Avalanche because it'll probably be our next win. And remember, you guys, watch those masterclasses. I'll teach you how to scalp with our indicators, as well as we're going to come out with the date probably by the end of this week of when we're going live in Zoom. So God bless you guys. Have an amazing day. All the links you need are in the description, and I pinned it to the first YouTube comment of this video. Come trade with us, guys. This is super exciting. We are actually breaking I'm sorry. If you guys are still watching this video and you haven't left, we are actually officially breaking above the descending resistance right now. This is pretty interesting. This could get pretty bullish here with people trying to take out shorts and this trapping them right now. Literally the short trades, I know for a fact, being trapped right now because they would have shorted back here because I have this exactly at the point of resistance. And look at this. We are actually already above this point. So anybody who shorted right here is already feeling the effects of nervousness inside their bodies right now, and they may be starting to switch their short trades to long trades, and that's why we could be seeing a pump up here. Watch this. This is going to be exciting. I will keep you guys updated. Watch the indicators here for a move back down here, and this is divergence, so I am expecting a drop, but let's watch. God bless you guys. I'll see you in the next video. Bye, guys.